Hi, can I do an iced honey vanilla latte with almond milk?
Small or large?
Small, please.
Anything else?
That's it. Alright, so I'm not much of a coffee drinker because it kind of makes me hyperactive, but today's a beautiful day and I was in the mood for it. So I stopped at this little place called Vase here in Rancho Palos Verdes. It's still morning, so I'm gonna go find a little park to enjoy my coffee at. Wow, that is really good. Holy shit. Okay, well, I lucked out because right near Yellow Vase on Paseo del Mar is this beautiful little park called the Bluff Cove Overlook. This will be a nice place to enjoy my coffee. What in the world is this place? The water is so blue, it's like the Caribbean. So as I'm sitting here and observing probably the most incredible view I've seen in a very long time, I thought that this would be the perfect place to meditate. I'm going to use the app called Headspace. If you haven't heard of it, it's a meditation app for guided meditation, helping to relieve stress and anxiety. So let's do a little meditation session. Okay, wow. I just meditated for a couple minutes, then I opened my eyes to, again, this gorgeous view and feel so zen right now, especially drinking coffee because coffee, like I said before, tends to give me a little bit of anxiety, but I still love it because it tastes so good. Okay, these people right near me clearly have the same idea as me, as they have their drone up in the air and they have a camera as well. I wonder if they're YouTubers. I actually thought I was special for exploring this place today. Hey, which drone do you guys have?
The Mavic Air 2.
Oh, I got the Mavic Mini. It's awesome. Do you post YouTube videos?
Yeah, we actually just started. We have like 3-4 videos on there.
Oh, nice. I just started too, just exploring and stuff.
I'll subscribe to you.
Michael Martello. What's you guys?
It's like Alex, like but without the E, ALX, and Esme, ESME.
Oh, let me look you guys up right now. All right, so as you just saw, I just shouted out to those two people over there who were droning. They actually just started a YouTube channel just like me doing exploration. Their channel is Alex and Esme. Sometimes all it takes is just to shout out something like, what kind of drone do you have, to meet new people. Okay, absolutely love that park. It was more than I imagined when I was just looking for a park to enjoy my coffee. I wish I could just go there every single morning and meditate and carry on with my day. Maybe I should move to Rancho Palos Verdes. I'm actually gonna go check out a hiking trail now. I saw a photo of this swing on a tree overlooking an amazing view on one of these hiking trails in Rancho Palos Verdes. So I wanna go see if I can swing on it. So I just headed towards Alpsey Road. Oh yeah, so this trail is super close to where I just was at Palos Verdes Bluff. I can pretty much see the bluff to the left of me. Wonder how high this is gonna go. It's also so incredibly nice out. It's the end of February and it's like almost 80 degrees. Oh damn, this spot right here. Gotta get a picture over here. I can see Manhattan Beach, Redondo Beach, all those beaches just north of me. It's such a clear day, so you can see practically that whole coastline over there. This coffee's starting to get to me. I might need some water. Not a good idea not to bring water and just bring coffee. Okay, so this is where the swing is, but it is detached, so it's no longer here. Even just to get down this little bit to the swing seems pretty dangerous. I can slip and fall the entire way down. Even if it was here, I'm not sure if I would do it, although I probably would, but now it gives me an excuse not to, so moving on. Okay, I'm headed back to my car because I need to hydrate. This coffee is doing some things to me. Oh, it's hot in here. If there's one piece of advice I could give, it is to always bring water when you're doing a hiking trail, even if it's not that long. Alright, just got to the trail, brought my water this time. I actually don't know much about Rancho Palos Verdes except for it being one of the wealthiest zip codes in not only California but all of the United States. This town is so beautiful that now I kind of know why. Whoa, that's a nice view, and it's literally the start of the trail. I'm just keeping right and taking the path upwards to what I see will probably be a great view. You can see practically the whole city of Rancho Palos Verdes. So after hiking 2 of these trails now in Rancho Palos Verdes, I can say that this city is one of the most beautiful places in Southern California. And it's so close to Los Angeles. I drove about a half hour south of the city and landed in this beautiful spot. Once I finish up this hike, I'm gonna go check out the Point Vicente Lighthouse, which is one of the landmarks here in the city. This must be a super popular spot. I'm at the Point Vicente Lighthouse because there is nowhere to park. I've been looking for like 10 minutes. I keep missing spots. I'll find one eventually. So it looks like you can't actually walk to the lighthouse. So thankfully I have my drone, so I'll fly it over it and see it up close. Okay, I just got confronted by 4 different people, one after the other, as I had my drone in the air. Apparently I'm the coolest person in Rancho Palos Verdes today. They are all telling me about the whales and dolphins that are showing up today. One guy showed me the photo that he just captured of one of them. I haven't seen any yet, but I'm gonna stand on this overlook and see if I get lucky. Okay, I didn't actually see any whales or dolphins. I had such an amazing day today in Rancho Palos Verdes. I think I'm gonna stick around for the sunset. Maybe I'll find a little beach to watch the sunset.